Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to log out of your Wish application. To log out of your Wish application, the first thing you'll need to do is to open the Wish app from your mobile device. If you're already signed in to the account and you'd like to log out of it, then go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom right hand corner. From the menu option, tap on the gear button which should appear at the top right corner right next to your name. This will open up the settings menu where you will need to tap on account setting. Now click on the log out button on the next page. Tap on log out once again in the pop-up and you will then be able to log out of your Wish application. And that is how you should be able to sign out or log out in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.